Hey guys, join me here. I'm just getting started with the smoky eye, and that is what I'm going to create on the other eye. Using this palette, the new one from Natasha Denona. So this is going to be my second look, and I hope you enjoy it because this one is going to be a complete matte smoky eye look. Now I kind of remember the shade names, so I will just keep walking you through the shade names. The first one is Mist. It's a light gray. Really enjoying using this palette. Absolutely gorgeous shades. Rock solid, beautiful shades. So for this look, you would need a couple of brushes. I like a big fluffy brush because that's very important to kind of give a nice blend to the look. Also, couple of more brushes that you will see me using to create the smokiest eyes. When it comes to smoky eye, blending is key. So, mist all over the lid. Actually, I'm going quite freely with mist. This brush from Makeup Forever is a brush that I really love for smoky eyes because it gives me a very concentrated color effect there, and that is something that I'm going to use to create that beautiful smoky effect with the second shade, and the shade name is Gloom. Do you remember the shades, guys? If you don't, I will show you the swatches, but you can also check the previous video I posted yesterday, day before yesterday, and I created a beautiful look, evening party smoky eyes, and used all the shades, and of course I showed all the swatches. That is my charcoal gray, and with that I'm going to cover the whole lid. But you know, it is like sketching. The smokier it gets, the better. So I'm using the brush in a very speedy way, and I'm trying to create that beautiful pencil sketch effect so that I can feel that this is one of my lid effect. When it comes to smoky eye, it is really important to give it a gradient effect. If you're going for a particular look like this one, a smooth transition between colors. Really take care of the socket line because that's where we tend to skip sometime. And if it is a smoky eye, I really want those two colors blend into each other seamlessly, mist and gloom. So I'm just using 3 colors here, and in a classic smoky eye we usually go for 3 colors: light, medium, dark. After I'm done with packing the color on my lid, I'm going to use a brush which is one of my favorite brushes from Real Techniques because this size is a perfect fit for my eye shape. I use this one, give it a nice blend. So I'm still on Gloom and I am blending it. The more you blend, the better it is, because that way you are actually taking care of all the skips and it gets smokier with blending. I like the stiffness of this brush, especially for the smoky eye effect, because it is not too soft. I like it. I like this kind of brush very much for smoky eyes. So you can see that I'm getting a beautiful charcoal gray kind of effect there. And now I'm going to use my black. That is the Blackest Black of Natasha Denona palette, this shade. And for that, I'm going to use this dense brush, and I'm going to just concentrate this black on the outer corner. When you pack the color, after that your blending starts. So for blending, always stick to a brush that you really find very helpful and you trust that brush. I'm concentrating on the outer corner, as you can see, but I'm not restricting my brush so much that you actually only see the black on the outer corner. I really like that overlapping effect of those three colors. So the smoky eye you can create with any palette, but this palette is a star palette in my collection now because it has got that perfect texture, smoothness in the shadows. If the shadows are buttery, it really helps. It is just going on smoothly. And now you can hardly see anything on my brush, but I am not stopping. Blending, blending, and blending. So now with the lighter shade, which is mist, I'm going to get the whole look together. And for that, I'm going to use this big fluffy brush and just a little bit around my brow bone, around the socket line, and on the sides. It helps if you get 2-3 brushes handy, because that way you can quickly change the brushes without even worrying too much about the colors. Like, I keep one brush for light shade, one for medium, and one for the darkest. So that is about it. And now I'm going to line my eyes, and for that I am using my gel liner. You can use any liner that you want, but I love this liner, so I'm just going to stick to that liner. I love the rich impact it has. So if you keep it really till here, it gives you that closed, impactful, smoky eye look. I am achieving that with this whole makeup idea. But if you want the winged one, the wing liner, you can totally go for that too. And I will show you that in my upcoming video. Study both the eyes, and then it's easier to kind of achieve the look. So that's about it. And I am going to use the shadows one more time, and this time again in reverse order. Actually, not in reverse order. I'm going to go for gloom, and it will give me that beautiful smoked out effect on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go for the black. You can totally go for a black liner for this job, but I'm sticking to the shadow because I'm really liking the shadow quality here, and it is not irritating my eyes, so I am okay with it. And now I'm going to use this brush from Real Techniques to overlap the liner effect. With that, I can go as close to the roots, and it really gives that smudgy, smoky effect. So that is intense. Now, my friends, I'm going to stick to my Stila. If you are watching my channel, you already know that I am in love with this mascara. This mascara is just perfect for the occasion. So that's about the look. That's my complete look. And I'm just going to add my lip balm because I think that would look gorgeous with this look. And the whole look comes alive. On that note, I'm just going to say bye to you, but with a promise that I'm going to come back soon with another look, because that is going to be interesting too. Meanwhile, you just give it a try, because smoky eye is absolutely in style throughout the year, and I think it will never go out of fashion. So master it, and of course, go for it if you really like these colors, and if you really want to create smoky eye with these kind of shades, because the shades are absolutely dazzling and beautiful, buttery. On that note, see you. Bye.